It's a perfect day to ride, I can feel it in the motherfucking air. Yeah, I can feel it in the air. So ratchet, drop that buggy down, say that bitch ain't going anywhere. That bitch ain't going nowhere. We finna take him to a place all the way outside and unload him.
My name is Jeff. Welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. I'm sitting here putting together this video for our trip to Toquerville Falls out of Sand Hollow, Utah. I don't have a bunch of camera footage, so it'll probably be a short little video, but it was a great trip. We had a little bit of difficulty in the middle after 12 water crossings, and most of the group decided to turn around, but I decided I was going to finish out that trail. And so there was another, I don't know, a total of about 32 water crossings on that whole trail. I'm sure my mom will chime in down below because she kept track of every one of them. But it was a great trail, and I ended up beating everybody back to camp anyways. So it all worked out, and actually turned into a good little video. So enjoy. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. If you hated the video, leave a comment anyways. I need to help the algorithm out, and you guys can help. So drop a comment, like the video, share it to your friends. Let's go.
Finna take him to a place all the way outside and unload him off the trailer, cause you know we about to ride. Just a cooler full of beer and me and you out here riding around, cause it's my favorite shit to do. It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you.
That rocky shit at the beginning, I'm like, if this is the whole trail, this is going to be back home. That's the way it is back home.
Yeah.
Hey, was this worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's awesome. I was like, why are we going?
It is really worth it in the summertime. For sure.
Like forever. Did you hear that, Nick?
It feels like forever.
Did you hear that?
What?
Someone else leads for once. Feels like forever.
The whole time we were riding back here, I'm like, I know how this is going back now. This sucks. God damn it.
I wish I knew where we were going. I wish we were here already. We were stuck in like all the rest of the middle of the town. I mean, it wasn't bad crossing where we crossed up here.
This one place we dropped right here, and other trailers told me that 15 water crossings.
The water cold?
We keep getting hot.
The water cold?
Yeah, we're going to do that.
I think it's easier going downhill through the creek than coming up. That's my opinion.
Let's do it.
As long as it's not over your board.
As long as I get to watch you go through it first,
Good job, guys. Made it.
Yeah. Casey, come here.
We all need a picture over here.
We're going to do the water crossings or
what's
not?
the other option? That way?
Go
Down
back
the
the
river?
way we came?
Oh, yeah. Let's go for the water. Fuck it.
Oh my
Hear that?
gosh, if it's that
Let's go
thick,
for the water.
He said, let's go for the water.
Let's go for it.
then you've got a whole like 45 minutes of sitting there wet. I guess we'll just ease through the water.
Well, we can go back the way we came.
Is it faster through the water?
I don't know.
I mean, I always like a different way, you know, go coming one way and leaving another so you get...
I think it'd be really cool, but yeah, it is
Me
cold.
too. But if it's that deep, we're talking
But if you look at it, it's not that deep anywhere
not
around
here. But remember where we stopped before,
Yeah.
and it sounded like this, but looked thicker than the little...
But if they have crossings, it's going to be
Right.
shallow.
Correct.
So, whatever, I'll
It's
follow.
going to be the shallower part
Right.
of the trail.
I'll go through first.
I'm fine with it.
Let's do it.
I'm just going to follow, cause you decide.
We took that Toquerville Falls.
It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you. We be way back in the sticks and loving life, just riding around. Yeah, we be riding around. We got the music all the way up, so you know we getting all the way down. Yeah, you know we getting down. I got the cooler in the back and it's keeping the beer on cold. Yeah, always gotta keep the beer cold. I love drinking beer, riding around with you, it never gets old. No, it never gets old. Yeah, life is good, like you know that it should be. And there's way worse places that you know that we could be. We be trying to get lost, we don't be trying to get found. When we riding around, way the fuck out of town. It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you. It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you. I just wanna ride around with you. In my side by side. Sometimes that's all I wanna do. So come on and let's ride. I just wanna ride around with you. In my side by side. Sometimes that's all I wanna do. Yeah, my favorite shit to do is ride around with you way back in the sticks. Yeah, all the way back in the sticks. It's like a drug that I keep coming back to again when I need a fix. And I always need another fix. Yeah, one more again and I don't really give a shit what it costs. Don't give a fuck what it costs. Just wanna get all the way out on the trail and fuck around and get lost. Yeah, fuck around and get lost. Out here drinking some beer and smoking some bud. And if we're lucky we gon' find us some motherfucking mud. So we can let the tide chew. And there's nothing more true than that my favorite shit to do is fucking riding with you. It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you. It's my favorite shit to do. Just ride around with you. I just wanna ride around with you. In my side by side. Sometimes that's all I wanna do. So come on and let's ride. I just wanna ride around with you. In my side by side. Sometimes that's all I wanna do. Yo, Thug Nasty off-road music, baby. We really do this. It's a fucking lifestyle. Fueled by haters. Hate if you want to. Don't give a fuck. Listen right here. This is how many fucks I give.
devil's always along for the ride. We ride down to the creek by the water. I've been baptized by the preacher's daughter. Lucky for me, no, he never caught us, so oh, we ride to the bar by the levee. 85 jacked up square by the Chevy. Blanket in the back when it gets hot and heavy. Oh, we ride pedal to the floorboard. She begging for more, sipping on apple pie, moonshine, and I'll be gone by the morning light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, there was always along for the ride. We ride across state lines, rubbing 2 nickels, just trying to make a dime. Hard to make a living while the drop her down a four-wheel drive on a Friday night, cracking open a cold Bud Light. Oh, we ride, pushing through the hard luck, looking for my give-a-fuck needle peg at 95, but that's alright, 'cause I'm running every red light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned, filing a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. Oh, we ride. Oh, we ride. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned, filing a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. Yeah, I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned, filing a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. Oh, for that ride, the devil's always along for that ride.
There's a road we'd have to backtrack. Good go? We're here now, dude. What's the village? I think we should fucking backtrack. I think we should backtrack. Hey, no, it's gonna be like this the whole fucking way. It's gonna be like this the whole way, Con. Can we turn around? Yeah. It's almost 10.
Tell them.
Hey, we're gonna have to turn around. It's gonna be like this the whole way, Jeff.
It's a long way. We're gonna go. We're gonna turn
If we keep going that way, it's gonna be like this the whole way. And if we run out of time, I'm okay going back. No, I know, but it's getting it through his head. He's not getting on the radio. He's over there waiting for us. I'll go get Jeff. Wait for him. All right.
So if he's looking at a map and he says it's a longer way this way, then
Right. I know that. Definitely it's 3/4 of the way back. So can you tell on your map how much further we gotta go to get out of the creek?
there's 15 water crossings on here, and we're at number 12.
Where we at?
Starting at 10 o'clock. He's freaking out. He's cool. Watch that. Up next first.
Okay, we're gonna come back. I'm like, dude, I don't want to split up the group. He's like, you want to follow me? I said, no, let's just go back. And
Yeah, we already know what this looks like, and we can make time.
right.
Yeah, we're not gonna stop at the waterfall or nothing.
Yeah. He's going that way.
No, he's not. It's not getting a goddamn trail.
He's saying the trail's nice. He's going that way.
We mud bogging, you stuck watching, wishing you can be with us cause the party popping. You say you can dig, man, we ain't seen nothing. Your girl wanna be with us, now I heard she said she want a mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound, their tires stay roaring while we ride through town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around.
We hit the room, me and my crew.